So I'm here at the Crawlspace at our airplane wing Grandview residence. And Phil has been down here for a few days now. First thing we did was clear any debris off the dirt underneath this Crawlspace. And what Phil's been doing is he has been setting the perimeter and all the columns with this Stego Wrap system. Ultimately, we will place these Stego Wrap, which is, what is it, a 15 mil?
Oh gosh.
Or is it 20 mil? It's a very thick plastic. I think it might be 20 mil. Yeah. And that will act as a vapor barrier over the entire crawl space. So this is just one segment of the crawl space. And then over there where the light is, there is a pass-through area and there's a whole nother section. The tough part about doing this in a house that's already constructed is the space, having to crawl all around. One thing you'll notice, along the perimeter, there is this plastic-like strip that Stego Wrap provides, and that is installed using Tapcon screws. First, it's pre-drilled with a 1/4-inch bit, and then the Tapcon screws are installed all the way around to keep that from pushing down. That's a 5-foot piece of plastic. And then the general area plastic will overlay that by at least 6 inches. And everything is overlaid by at least 6 inches. Here at the columns, what do we do? We overlap it going up. The Stego Wrap install videos on how to do this, and this is going to make a big difference in this space down here.
3 feet or 4 feet? And then it is.
And gosh, some of these areas are really tricky. So getting in there, I guess we can do next.
Yep.
This week.
Yep.
Get some light in there. We can get in this space. Well, he doesn't want to do the space by the shower yet. I can see the shower drain from here. But I know that he doesn't want to do that space yet because he's concerned about the some modification to the shower that needs to happen. So we'll hold off on the shower area, but we'll get all the other areas, and then we'll hold off on putting the general Stego Wrap down until we're 100% ready with all the other things, right? Let's take a look down here, Phil. Wow, look at that. That is a beauty. Man, I could tell you night and day difference already. From what we had going before. I mean, there was paper down here with mold on it. Remember that? Yeah. It was bad down here. It actually smells better down here. It looks better, feels better.
Yep, the air is better.
Air is better. And a lot of that is thanks to the lights.
True.
Just leaving those on. I don't know how long he's left them on, but I told him lights are a mold killer. And those are 5,000 K lights.
Yep.
That's like daylight down here.
Yeah.
It's a big difference. Man, that's gonna be nice.